Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I will tell you a plant which is toxic though beautiful. Every part of the plant like leaves, stems, flowers, even the roots are toxic. But will we not plant this plant in our garden then? And if we do plant this, what are the precautions we should take? Today I will tell you about the precautions for planting this plant, and how to take care of this plant will be also known in this video. A widely used landscape plant in warmer climates, oleander is grown for its carefree habit and attractive star-shaped flowers that bloom nearly year-round. Even though this plant cannot tolerate cold, and in Delhi there is extreme winter. After winter, the plant's health was still like this. This is the time for taking care of our plants like pinching, pruning, but without taking the care, the birds already came in the plant. Last year my mom reported this plant from a small pot to a big pot, but this year she didn't even get the time. Okay, now the birds have come. We need to take minimum care of this plant still. As my mom does organic gardening and the soil is always mixed with kitchen waste compost, my mom does not need to give excess fertilizer. But in this blooming time, the plant does need more food. That's why my mom gave kitchen waste compost tea. Look at this. This is the oleander plant seed pod. You can easily grow new plants from this pod. But as this plant can be easily propagated from cutting, my mom will not plant any more new plants from this pod. Now let me tell you what is kitchen waste compost tea. It is nothing. All you need is kitchen waste compost and dilute it in water for 24 hours, then give it to your plants. Now let me tell you about the watering of this plant. Watering regularly and allow soil to dry out between waterings. Too much water can cause yellowings of the leaf or root rot. Containers will need more frequent watering. Even though normally this plant has pest attack such as aphid, mealybug, spider mite, scales, etc. But believe me or not, we have been having this plant for 7 years but still haven't got any pest attack on this plant. One main reason that my mom does not have pests on any of our plant is because she frequently sprays Bioenzyme. All you need is 5 to 10 ml of Bioenzyme in 1 liter of water. Make sure to shake it well and spray it to your plant. As this plant is toxic, make sure to keep it in such part of the garden where your children or pets cannot reach. Now there is a question that most of you ask. Can we use these oleander flowers for decoration in our house? My answer is no, it is not safe. As all the parts of this oleander are toxic, when placed in a vase, the water becomes toxic as well. And even you, when you are taking care of your plants, like pinching or pruning the plant, make sure to wear your gloves. And if you are working for the plant and this plant gives irritation on your skin, make sure to wash that part of your skin with soap and water immediately. And if you want more plants like this, make sure to take a hardy stem and propagate this plant. So in my opinion, I think you should plant this plant as this plant attracts lots of bees, which is good for your kitchen garden. Not only this, but it beautifies your garden in many ways. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.